Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw numbers. First we use blue color and now we draw the number of 1. Subscribe to our channel. Now we use blue color. First we draw the number of 1. O-N-E 1. Now we draw 2 and the next one is 3. T-H-R-E-E. Now we draw 4 and the next one is 5. Kids, now we draw the number of 6 and the next one is 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Now we draw the number of 8. The next one is 9. N-I-N-E 9. And now we draw 10. The next one is 11. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we draw the number of 12. The next one is 13. Now we use blue color and draw 14. The next one is 15. Now we draw 16. Kids, now we draw 17. And the next one is 18. Now we draw 19. The number of 19. And the last one is 20. Kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.